Who's ready for some tacos? Tacos! Yeah, we have a new video blog. Remember I told you guys that I was missing a video blog. It's video blog number 32. We're making a video blog 33 for today. Video blog 33. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Yeah, we ordered 3 tacos de birria. I don't know if you guys can see me. Bam! 3 tacos de birria. Check it out, this is a truck. Really crazy. I'm in Santa Ana. We're making up for video blog 33 because I'm missing a video blog and I'm making it one. You can hear them cooking. Exclusive. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Food Galore Mexico. Let's go. I didn't bring my camera, so I'm using my phone right now. Check it out. Oh shit. I think I did too much salsa. Video blog. Check out these tacos. Bomb ass tacos. Bam. Okay, we got our tacos. There's not really good quality lighting around here because there's too much sun. Let's try out these bomb ass tacos. We apply some like pretty bomb spicy sauce. Just shake it. Pretty bomb. It's super hot over here right now. See, let's try taco number 2. It's pretty good. Fresh veggies, cilantro, onions. The birria is really juicy, especially with the sauce. Some of folks got a consomme, just like the extra juice, all the goodness from the birria. This one's pretty good. If you're hungover, you could drink that shit and you get litified. Litified. It's like eating menudo. Super bomb. What's up guys, so I'm back from the taco lunch truck in Santa Ana. Tacos were super bomb, super spicy. I didn't talk a lot because, I don't know, I was kind of enjoying the tacos. But what the tacos were made out of is carne de birria, super bomb, hella fermented. With some spicy salsa they make where they fry chilies and they put virgin olive oil or some type of oil and they infuse it and they make a salsa. Super spicy. Warning, I wouldn't recommend you to try it if you're not really a person like spicy food, but it's super spicy. Really good. Had a little bit of cilantro, onions, what's it called, a little bit of salt and some lemons, and then drank it with a sangria. It was super good. I'm gonna make maybe another video sometime this week, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna edit this video, post it up for you guys. Subscribe. Food Galore Mexico. Let's go, go, go.